at the mosquito park. Again, unprepared. Anyways, so this is the view. Listen to the birds. I think I'm crazy for coming out here, and it was actually snowing today, so you can hear the water like right there. I don't know how many times I thought I hit record and I wasn't recording, but anyways, welcome to Mosquito Lake in Warren, Ohio. So there's a bench behind me. Where is it? Right there. And it could be for like little lovers, you know. But I'm soloing right now. Oh, my coffee. It's freezing. But I wanted to take the shot for you guys because actually, I wanted to come out here because it is, to me, it's still beautiful. And this is where I came out in like, I don't know, maybe like 10, 15 videos ago in the summer. But I don't know what's going on with all those seagulls. So it would be a perfect time to probably go fishing right now. Take a look. should have brought my gloves. I wasn't thinking. Like I said, this was really spur of the moment. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind. Hope you can. There's a trail. I'll eventually take you guys there as well when everything starts to bloom. So. This tree's starting to bud behind me. That one. I'm not sure. I'll give you guys a close-up. Is it starting to bud? I don't know. But I sure love being out here, y'all. I really do. I'll bring you along when it starts to get warmer. Might be a little, out there for doing this, but I hope you guys enjoyed.